Bitcoin for beginners and top altcoin analysis. So Bitcoin for beginners and altcoin analysis, right? So what does that even mean, Bitcoin and altcoins, right? So we're going to get into all that. One thing I wanted to, or a couple of things before we get too far, is I did want to share with you the IM Academy, about the IM Academy. I am an independent business representative for the IM Academy. You see the IM Academy here on the screen. We are looking for more subscribers or members, people that want to learn and be on this journey as well. I feel like I'm trying to kind of raise the alert level that Bitcoin and altcoins and digital assets are all going to play I feel are going to play a vital role in our future over the next year, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, and more. I feel like they're going to play a vital role in our efforts. So, we want to learn and be educated, right? So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, great. If you're not interested, no big deal. But if you are interested, it is an academy. So I'm going to share with you. But one other thing, this is called Swipecoin. So it's another tool, both looking at Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin on the the 30,000 square foot view, the weekly time frame, kind of boom. And then, and then if we want to analyze, what's going on, like this last candle right here, we want to break it up. We use Swipecoin, right? So what I'm currently looking for, just on the short run before I share with you about the academy, this is my zone that I'm looking for, right around 50,250. I'm waiting to see if it breaks and closes above, and are we going to go up, or are we going to reject and go down? But if you kind of noticed, it's kind of a beginner fact, is that thing to learn, is that the price, this is the 15-minute time frame, and it's right here. See this gold line right here? This is called the EMA, the estimated moving average, and it's right there on the line, which to me, from the teachers that I've learned from, signals it's indecisive. So it could truly go up or go down, but we draw out our zones and we learn to navigate which way. From what I'm learning, as a trader, I don't care if the price goes up or if the price goes down. I just want to get on board and ride, because we can make money whether the price goes up or down. But in the long run, I do believe a lot of these things are going up, which is why I like to look at the big picture. And I personally like to do what's called dollar cost averaging, not financial advice, but dollar cost averaging is basically every week or every month, whatever your schedule is. I like approximately weekly. I like a weekly dollar cost average personally. The prices can really be all over the place, so I like to dollar cost average weekly. And doing these videos really helps me, because I can really see the price. Sometimes I always wanted to learn when to get the best prices. So watching these charts and learning how to do it on your own will help you navigate these waters, right? So what is the Academy?
Welcome to IM Mastery Academy. IM Mastery Academy sells digital educational products and services focused on the teaching of skills and understanding financial markets and the e-commerce sector. The content is delivered online primarily through live interactive video and supported by a library of pre-recorded and app-based content. IM Mastery Academy was formed in 2013 by Chris Terry and Isis Terry to offer learning and education opportunity to adult students on a subscription model. IM Mastery Academy's objective is to provide its customers with accessible and interactive training to enable them to develop skills they could apply to their own trading. Initially, IM Mastery Academy focused on financial markets education, but has since expanded its scope into learning modules that cover other areas such as social media, personal development, and e-commerce. The primary IM Mastery Academy products are learning modules known as courses. There are 5 distinct courses that are offered to customers to purchase via the IM.Academy website: foreign exchange, stocks and cryptocurrency, e-commerce, social media, and personal development. The content of each course is delivered by interactive online sessions with IM Mastery Academy trainers called educators via a service which is called Go Live. Each Go Live session is offered on multiple days and at various times to accommodate students in different time zones. Students can also access a library of pre-recorded video modules for each course, which is also available on mobile devices via the IM Academy app. In addition, IM Mastery Academy offers travel life experiences. This travel benefits membership program is not an educational product, but gives members access to discounted travel and experiences, including themed educational trips. IM Mastery Academy does not engage in providing trading signals, offer investment advice, or provide trading facilities, nor does IM Mastery Academy refer business to investment brokers or recommend firms of brokers to its Academy customers. IM Academy, therefore, has no information on how students invest or trade or whether they make a profit or loss in their trading activities. IM Academy uses a multi-level marketing program involving independent business owners or IBOs to sell its online educational services. Customers who are not part of the multi-level structure pay subscriptions for educational services. Commissions are paid only on customer subscriptions. No commissions are paid for recruitment or from any fees paid by participants in the multi-level program. All IM Mastery Academy IBOs are self-employed, independent contractors and are not employees. As such, they do not receive a salary and are paid only on the customer sales they make or their sales teams make. You must be 18 years old or older to enroll. Visit im.academy to learn more. IM Mastery Academy. This is home.
Well, there you have it. That is the scoop on the IM Academy. So if you have enough information to make a decision, the link to join is inside the description. If you have any questions, just send my phone numbers inside the description. Just reach out to me. Let's collaborate. I'm looking for other people to collaborate with. And so so you heard what they said, that you can either do it just as a student and learn on your own, or you can use this if you believe in it and like it enough, like I do. You can share it with others and get paid on the subscriptions that you got out. So here we go. This is what I'm looking at on Bitcoin for the short term. I'm looking to see if it will break and close above about 50,250. So that is what I'm currently looking for next, right? Then let's see here. This is on the bigger time frame. So I'm going to zoom in, but not a whole lot. Let's see here. I want to get my charts back up. I know it's a lot of ink. Okay, here we go. I just want to zoom into where we're at right now. So see this purple line right here? To me, that's also it's called a spider line, and that's from another trader who I got that strategy. But you can see kind of right where it's at. It's currently acting as resistance. See how it kept this bar, each bar here is a 4-hour time frame. Okay, so this is a candle. Each candle represents 4 hours, or every 4 hours, right? So this first candle here, see the pin, see the little, how it has the full body right here, and then it has a pin, a little pin, right? It's like a little ink, like a little pin prick, right? So that means the price went all the way up to here, to 50,326, and then got pushed down to here. So at the end of that 4-hour candle, that's where it left off at. But you can see that it hit that resistance right there is what I'm trying to say. And then to the next bar, right? This got pushed up and pushed down. Look here. And then I went to the next one. Wow. So it got pushed up, then got pushed down, then got pushed up, and then went to here. We got pushed up through the resistance, came down, held it, then came over here, dropped down below the resistance, got pushed back up to here, to right below that candle point. Can you see that? Then we went over to the next candle. It pushed up to here, right? Then we went over to the next candle. And now we went down, right? You can see we broke down, and now we're down here, right? So it is quite fascinating, right? But now I'm going to zoom in on the hour time frame. And you know what I'm really looking for, if I'm going to do any type of scalp move anyway, would be to, if we break and close above this purple bar. Right now it's kind of an iffy territory. It could just break down. It could go either way. But that's why we set up zones. And so if it breaks above this zone, which is really the same zone as this, basically really close. These two zones are the same. If it breaks and closes above this zone, then I would consider entering a scalp trade. In the meantime, I'm definitely considering entering in altcoin, dollar cost averaging into altcoins. Now, this is not financial advice, but I'm going to look up a few of my favorite coins. I just want to share. If you ever want to see something particular looked up, please let me know. I'll do the best I can. This is Ethereum on the weekly time frame. We're currently at about 2,625. I've been dollar cost averaging, and man, it just keeps creeping up. I mean, look back over here. We've been over 1,500. Now we're $1,000 more than when we were over here. But that's good. If you're holding a lot of Ethereum, you're happy. But what if I told you, what if you knew, and I'm not saying it is, but what if you knew without a doubt it would exceed $6,000? It would breach above $6,000. How much would you buy if you knew, if you were confident, right? Well, that's just the thing. So that's why I love the Academy, because it builds your confidence in these projects, right? So this is Ethereum. I'm comfortable buying it at 2,600, but I'd rather buy it at 2,000 or 1,500. But you know, the thing is, we don't know where it's going to go. That's why dollar cost averaging is a good strategy. Every week, you just keep dollar cost averaging into it. Sometimes it's high, sometimes it's low, but you get an average, and it is known to be a very good strategy. But that is not financial advice. I'm just telling you my thoughts. This bar appears around its last time's previous all-time high, but this project is just a solid. It's one of my favorite projects as far as confidence in it and long-term usage, and you know, and anything could, I mean, things could change. It's a crazy kind of industry. Something could change and it could go out of date or something, but there's a lot of good energy, a lot of good usage around Ethereum right now. And it just, when you listen to the instructors go over and over again why they feel like it's a strong project, you just get more and more confident, right? Let's take a look at some others. Okay, let's look at XRP. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I love, even though Bitcoin has had such a rally, Bitcoin has boomed this past several months. This particular one has still stayed low, so I'm so glad, because it gives me time to buy more of it, right? It's only about 52 cents. This is an interesting project. You really just have to do your homework on it to get comfortable with it. They have to do a lot with payment processing, and there's a lot of legal struggles going on with this type of thing. Let's see here. Can you hang on a minute? Can you hold on a minute?
Yes.
So it has a lot of legal struggles and stuff like that. So but I'm really excited about this one right here too. And then also too, real quick, I wanted to look at Link. I'm excited about this one, although it's kind of getting away from me, I feel like. But it's you can see where it's at. It's at $20 right here. And then also too, one other thing, I wanted to look at DOT. Right. Oh, I'm so excited about this one right here. So these are the ones I'm really excited about. I got to jump off for now, but I appreciate your time and your energy. And this is where we're at with Bitcoin. If you have any questions on the Academy, please let me know. and I'll be back.